I just hopped off of the plane. Don't wanna fly without you again. Baby, tell me that you'll stay. Even if that means crashing again. Never forget the delays. And never forget the places we attend. Give all your luggage to Uber. I do not want you to carry no baggage again. Baby, I can be a chauffeur. Please don't carry no baggage again. Wait until the flight is over. I'm about to be a homewrecker again. Tell me when your flight is over. I wouldn't mind the turbulence. Okay, look, I got my eyes on your hands, and you got your eyes on your bag. I think you're trying to go, but can you just hold me instead? I'm really wanting your love and your luggage, I do not care about it. We can hop in any car, I'll be passenger, I will not care what it is. I can be your chauffeur, I got my eyes on you. You got your eyes closed, open them soon, darling. I can be your chauffeur, I got my eyes on you. You got your eyes closed, open them soon, darling. I'm going all, I'm going all with you. Hey, one more time. I'm going all, I'm going all with you. That we ended. Now I'm looking at pictures. You're nothing more than a wish that I'll never be granted. Nothing now will ever suffice, so I slow my head on a granite. Oh man, I might be writing songs about you until my time is ended. I hope not. Gosh, I really hope not. I might not be stuck in you, but I'm stuck on the feelings that I had once. Maybe y'all find better. Maybe y'all find less. But whatever makes us happy, it's probably the best. Until then, I love you.